Hey there, what's up? In this video, I'll compare Salesforce and Pipedrive to help you decide which CRM fits your business best in 2025. This guide is useful if you want the right balance between automation, reporting, and scalability. So yeah, for the first one, for the system overview, of course, Salesforce is an enterprise level CRM used by large companies, and it is deeply customizable with modules like Sales Cloud, Service Cloud, Marketing Cloud, and so on. So for Pipedrive, it's more basic, simple, and sales focused CRM built for small and medium teams. So for their interfaces, Salesforce has a complex dashboard with tabs for leads, opportunities, tasks, reports, and analytics. And you can also customize layouts, create formula fields, triggers, and flows. And it is really powerful but requires a lot of learning. While Pipedrive has simple pipeline with stages, drag and drop, quick add contacts, deals, activities, and it is much easier for daily use. So for the features breakdown, Salesforce has AI-powered insights, full marketing automation, case management system, role-based access and permissions, advanced workflow and process builder, and custom apps via App Exchange. For Pipedrive, it has deal pipeline, lead inbox, email sync plus tracking, automation rules, smart contact data, and sales forecasting. So for integration, Salesforce has massive app exchange ecosystem and thousands of enterprise grade integrations. On the other hand, Drive integrates with Google Workspace, Slack, Trello, WhatsApp, Zoom, Mailchimp, and so on. Now let's go over to the pricing. So for Salesforce, it is expensive and has per user pricing increases quickly, while Pipedrive is affordable and has predictable monthly pricing. So you can choose Salesforce if you run a large business, you need advanced reporting, and you need customizable workflows or enterprise security. And you can choose Pipedrive if you want a lightweight, easy to learn tool, and you run a small team and you want speed and simplicity. So yeah, that's it. Now you can choose whether Salesforce or Pipedrive fits your workflow better in 2025. So yeah, like and subscribe for more videos like this. Thank you and have an awesome day.